Energy storage is an important part of Jemena's future electricity network. One part of the energy storage puzzle are network community batteries, also known as neighbourhood batteries. Energy generated during the day from things like solar panels can be saved for later when it's needed most. Jemena is installing batteries in some of our communities to enable more homes and businesses to connect and export solar energy for all to use. Community batteries help keep energy reliable for all. The best part is that homes and businesses won't need to sign up, change retailer, or change the way they use energy. Energy storage will help maintain a reliable, affordable, and more sustainable grid. For more information on network community batteries, visit www.jemena.com.au/community batteries.